Giggles and grapes.
In this video, let's color the characters of Sesame Street. This is Elmo. Let us now color Elmo. We will color nose in orange. Now, let us color Elmo in red. Elmo is very curious. Are you? Let's color the name now. This is Elmo. This is Elmo. This is Bert. Come on, let's start coloring, starting with the nose in orange. Let's color the mouth in red. Face and hands in yellow. Bert wears a multicolor shirt. Red, green, blue. There you go. Now, let's color the pant in brown. Shoes in red. Meanwhile, can you name Bert's best friend? Let's color the name now. This is Bert. This is Bert. This is Rosita. Do you know Rosita can speak English as well as Mexican? Let's color her mouth in black. Now, let's color her nose in orange. Let's color her brows in orange. Let's color that bow in yellow. Now, let's color Rosita's body in turquoise. Let's color the name now. This is Rosita. This is Rosita. Furry and green. He lives in the trash. This is Oscar the Grouch. Let's color the tongue in orange. Brows in brown. Now, let's color the fur in green. The trash can in gray. Let's color the name now. This is Oscar the Grouch. This is Oscar the Grouch. Do you know who this is? This is Baby Bear. ETS color Baby Bear. Let's color the mouth and ears in pink. Now, let's color the fur in brown. Let's color the name now. This is Baby Bear. This is Baby Bear. This is Julia. Julia loves to play. She's great at I Spy. Let's color her hair. Her hair color is orange. Let's color nose and mouth in orange. Let's color Julia's shirt in shades of pink. Let's color her trousers in green. Julia's body in yellow. Let's color the name now. This is Julia. This is Julia. This is Snuffleupagus. He is also called as Snuffy. Let's color the tusk and bow in pink. Let's color the fur in brown. What a shaggy brown elephant with longer lashes. Let's color the name now. This is Snuffleupagus. This is Snuffleupagus.
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.